Okay, now in this video what we're going to do is we're just going to put up a practice thank you page. We're going to maybe just enlarge this, and if you have a standard, if you have a capture or a thank you page that you want to use, it's a little more uh, towards your brand, that will be fine. I just want to show you how to do this, because what we're going to do is we're going to put a video here that's going to be a customer service video telling your customer exactly what's about to happen. Now, what you're going to do now is you are going to then take this document, and you are going to, now this document is already located in your customer service page folder, and what you're going to do is you are going to then save this as a different kind of document. You're going to save this as a HTML file. So when you get to the directory you want, you're just going to go and you're going to save that as HTML. And then you're going to click Save. Okay, so now you have a HTML page. And so now what you're going to do now with that HTML page is you're going to upload that to your server. Okay, so now we have our server open, and you can use FileZilla in order to access the back office of your server. We're just going to go into the members folder, and what we're going to do is we're just going to stick this in here, and we can pretty much put it any place in that folder that we like. So we'll just go and drag and drop our new file in there. And we'll change the name of this to thank you. And we want to give it a unique name. We'll say model airplane enthusiast. We'll use the words there. You'll have to put the extension on there, HTML. Okay, so now you've got that file there, so you should be able now to go to your site and you should be able to see that file. Let's take a look. Okay, so now we've got our information in there. We've moved that over to our server, so now that's the page that we just created. Right, so when we embed our video, we're going to create a video. We're going to embed that here. We're going to put the page where they're going to go to log in here. Now, I've actually given you that login address, and you'll find that in the folder that just has your login address that you can use. And you're going to always use this when you want to create a link to your login page. It's your URL /wp-login.php. Or you can just send them to the front page. Now, one of the things is that we did create a widget with a login, so they should be able to find it from the front page. If they cannot, then of course you can create a direct link to the login. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to take this page and we need to put this inside of JVZoo as our thank you page. So we're just going to copy that. Okay, we're going to go back inside of our product and we're going to put our thank you page in here. And we're going to save it. So once we do that, we want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and then click Test Purchases. And then we want to put our model airplane enthusiast, whatever your product name is. And then what JVZoo is going to allow you to do is to create a test purchase code. You're going to click that button. Then JVZoo is going to give you a link. You're going to follow that link. Okay, so now what you're going to do now is you are going to go ahead and order the product here. And so you want to put a delivery email in there, and then you want to put your PayPal address in there. So what you're going to do now is go ahead and click that PayPal button and go through that next step of the process. Okay, now so JVZoo is going to create a test purchase for you. You're going to go ahead and go through the PayPal process here, and go ahead and buy that product. It's going to be a penny. Okay, so now once you go through that process, you are going to go to your email box and you are going to look at the exact emails that you get from JVZoo, from WordPress. And what you're going to do then is you're going to create a video telling the customer when they first sign up exactly what to expect and exactly what they need to do in order to log in. Now, the most important part is that they're going to be given a login and password by S2 member. You want to tell them that they need to get that password, and you want to show them how to do that in their video. And when you do that, you're going to embed the video in this page and re-upload it to your FTP file. Now, I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. Now, let's go back to the document that you created. Okay, so you're going to go back to this Word document that you created, and you're going to edit it according to the information that you've got. You're going to embed your video right here. You're going to give a link to your login right here. And then you're going to save it and then re-upload it to your FTP. Right now, what that's going to do is that means that as soon as your customer buys, they're going to see a page that tells them exactly what to do. Now, you can obviously alter this thank you page. You can put advertisements on here if you want. I would suggest that you make it so that it is abundantly clear that you want them to get the information. That's the most important thing. I do not put ads on this particular thank you page, mainly because when I'm not selling to internet marketers, it's pretty important that people just understand the process to get their content. And you don't want to start making them think that this is all just some kind of scam, because they're thinking that anyway. They're thinking, I wonder if this is a scam, if they're just going to try to start selling me a bunch of stuff. You want to make sure they know without a shadow of a doubt that you're trying to get their content to them. So this document that you're going to resave as your Word file, you're going to embed your YouTube video. Now, if you're wondering how to create a screencast video, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, you're pretty much going to open an account with Screener.com, and Screener.com will allow you to create a screencast video absolutely free. So what you're going to do is you are going to create your account. And once you do that, then Screener will allow you to literally record your screen, just like I'm doing with you right now. You will be able to record 5-minute videos, and then, of course, once your videos are complete, then you will then be able to upload them to YouTube. So I'm just going to do a quick video here, and then I'm going to click done on my video. It's actually showing on another screen. And there is my video. I'm going to click publish. I will write a little tutorial. We'll click publish. And it's going to start the upload process. Okay, then it's going to complete the upload process, and then all you've got to do then is you're going to click publish to YouTube. Now, once you publish this to YouTube, you are going to actually publish this as an unlisted video. Okay, we're going to say that our video is being published. And then we do that, we're just going to go to YouTube, and then we're going to change it to unlisted. Okay, you're going to be in here inside of your video, and what you're going to do is you are going to then change it to unlisted, and then you'll be able to then to go and you will save your changes. Then once you've done that, then you'll be able to go to your actual video and get the embed code. You're going to click the share button, the embed code, and then there is your embed code. Now you will need an HTML editor in order to get that code in there. You will not be able to use Microsoft Word in order to do that. But once you do that, then your video will then be publishable on your HTML page. Okay, so that pretty much is it for this part of the process. You should now have your customer service page ready to go so that when people are landing, when people buy your product, they're going to get to that page and you're going to tell them exactly what to do in order to log in. So we have bridged the gap with JVZoo. So now what we need to do is we need to make sure that all of your pages are set up correctly so that people will be able to get their content. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.